my Airbnb, but what I don't get is if you have the washer and dryer, why don't you have the dish soap? You got oodles worth of toilet paper, and you need that in the corona age. You got enough tissues, like, okay. We got dish soap. We got cleaner, cutting board cleaner, soap for the cutting board cleaner, dish soap, a sponge, toilet cleaner, bathtub cleaner, more joy. I don't think this is washing machine stuff. I don't know what this is, but looks like some sort of spray thing. Oh, we got Dove. I don't think you put that in the machine. I don't think you put that in the machine. I don't think you put that in the machine. So, what's the deal? Why have the washing machine if you don't have the powder or the soap? Like, why? We got little cube sponges, like, nice, like, thanks. Got a lint roller, and there's no carpet. Did we check this already? Yeah. There's nothing up above. Nothing in. We got a vacuum cleaner and a Swiffy boy. But, oh, anyway, you know why you're here. Nice clean white bathroom. Nice white clean setup for sure. Nice little shower head. Nice sliding door. That's nice. Ouch. Fuck. You know, 2 nice beds, but you know, it's only me. But that's okay. Oh, we got the 3 cans. Towels galore. And a sweet I-beam that you can do sweet, like, chin-up workouts. We got a nice little flower too. Like, I like the white motif. It's very nice, very nice. Like, I wish I had this in my house. Could just do I-beam pull-ups all the time. But yeah, no bidet rig. Sorry, boys. You know, I'd use it, but you know, that's the way it goes sometimes. All right. Yeah, no, it's so for the fluid, for the washing machine. Thanks for watching.